So tell me about any phrase, any sentence you have learned in Lahore, in Urdu, in local languages.
Lahore, Lahore.
Lahore, Lahore! Oh my goodness, Lahore, Lahore. There's also a sentence that is called Jine Lahore nahi takya aur Jamia hi nahi. It's mean the one who haven't seen Lahore, he's not born yet.
We've been born now.
We've been
Yes, born.
We had Lahori traditional breakfast, which was the sheep brain soup and the sheep leg soup with bread.
It is named as Pawa.
Bava.
In
yes,
Lahore, we
bava.
say Pawa.
Yeah,
Where
we,
kya?
we,
What?
we had bava. Yes.
Pawa. So if somebody was staring at you saying Gori, anybody said
I haven't noticed because I didn't know the word before.
Gori.
Gori.
Gori means whitish,
Yeah,
whitish,
yeah.
the whitish skin. So nobody said Gori.
I haven't noticed.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं मौजूद था यहाँ पर शालम में जहाँ पर एहतजाज चल रहा था पाकिस्तान तहरीक लब्बैक की तरफ से। उसी दौरान मुझे दो नौजवान मिले, दो खूबसूरत नौजवान। I found two people, beautiful personalities. They're from Estonia, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
They're from Estonia. Tell my viewers where Estonia is actually.
It's in Northern Europe. So
Northern
if you
Europe.
know where's Finland,
Yeah.
just
I've
under
heard
Finland.
about.
So up there, up in the north.
So why did you come to Pakistan and then you came to Lahore? What was the purpose behind that?
We are currently on a mission to drive our van. We have a caravan all the way from Europe to Japan. So we've been driving already for 6 months and we've made it to Pakistan. If anybody cares, we have a YouTube channel and it's called Wild Viking Travels. So the whole journey is over there.
So where's your car? Where's your van? About he's talking.
Yeah, we parked it a little bit away, but we live in that car. That's how we managed to travel for so long. So we live in a car.
I found you wandering by your own self. There's nobody like if somebody came to in Pakistan or any other places, they should have a guide, but you don't have. Why?
We don't have a guide because we want to see the adventure all by ourselves. We want to meet people like you and we want to meet local people. Otherwise, we would be taken around to places that have a very strict protocol from one place to the other place. But we want to experience the life here.
Here in our local language, the people whitish with the whitish texture, they are named as Gora.
Yeah.
Have you heard Gora?
Gora.
So if somebody was staring at you saying Gori, anybody said
I haven't noticed because I didn't know the word before.
Gori.
Gori.
Gori means whitish,
Yeah,
whitish,
yeah.
with the whitish skin. So nobody said Gori.
I haven't noticed.
So what do you have in your breakfast today? From Lahori traditional.
We had Lahori traditional breakfast, which was the sheep brain soup and the sheep leg soup with bread.
It is named as Pawa.
Bava.
In
yes,
Lahore, we
bava.
say it's Pawa.
Yeah,
Where
we,
kya?
we,
What?
we had bava. Yes.
Pawa.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about what different places you have visited. Like, which is your favorite place? Like Lahore Fort, Shahi Masjid, Lahore Fort, and Masjid Wazir Khan, and other things. What do you like the best? What do you found the best architecture by Mughals?
I would say that the mosque. I'm not sure.
Masjid Wazir Khan, Mosque Wazir Khan.
Yes, that one there, because it was so magnificent, so big,
Sufis.
fabulous. There was, it looked perfect.
Here's an author, if you have, I don't know you have heard about them or not. Mustansar Hussain Tarar is an author. He wrote about hundreds of travel diaries. He wrote about this masjid, this mosque. In his, I asked them, why did you give your book? The bookmark was, the book page was titled as Masjid Wazir Khan. He said, it is the most pure and finest place ever, finest mosque I have ever heard. Have you seen Masjid Badshah Mosque inside the Lahore Fort?
Did you see?
We didn't go inside.
You have to visit.
We might have seen it from afar, but yeah.
Okay, tell me about what have you learned? What are any local sentence you have learned here?
May I ask you a question first?
Yes, I will.
What do you think of us tourists wearing Pakistani clothes? How does it make you feel?
I ever noticed. Mostly, I noticed people in Pakistan are wearing pant shirts.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
they are wearing pant shirts.
Yes.
Even our national dress is shalwar kameez. You are the people coming from foreign. They are wearing our national dress. Even she can wear pants,
Yes.
but she prior to that, she have to wear the local dress. But the people in Pakistan are wearing. So it doesn't mean, but I really appreciate you as our former Prime Minister Imran Khan. He, whenever he came to media, whenever, wherever he goes, he was wearing national dress.
Yes.
I think we should have give respect our national things, national clothes, national games. But as a nation, we are very far behind from all this. But I really appreciate you, the things you are doing for us. That's a very positive sign that people are taking us as a ideal, or that people are trying to wear our national things. So tell me about any phrase, any sentence you have learned in Lahore, in Urdu, in local languages.
Lahore, Lahore.
Lahore, Lahore! Oh my goodness, Lahore, Lahore. There's also a sentence that is called Jine Lahore ni takya or Jamia hi nahi. It's mean the one who haven't seen Lahore, he's not born yet.
We've been born now.
We've been
You're born now. So I really congratulate you. You have born now, and I wish you a very happy journey. Enjoy yourself, see the Lahore, and I hope the people are cooperating. Sometimes people are not cooperating, but the mostly people are cooperating. What do you think about the people living out there?
Very kind, super kind. We haven't had any bad experiences in Pakistan with the local people.
People are making TikTok without your permission. What do you think about this? Isn't it?
They usually ask.
Yes.
They
They
usually,
usually ask. Yeah.
usually ask, but sometimes some of the people that are like they're so efficient, they are making TikToks without your permission. It's okay, it's
We
happened.
are also filming,
It's
so
okay for us because we have a YouTube channel and social media ourselves. So
We are social media
we-
influencers.
Yeah, we know how to be on camera, and we're not against it. We're glad to be on camera.
Any kind words for us?
We love Pakistani people, and please never change. Don't stop being kind. It makes us feel so welcome, and that's why we enjoy this country so much.
नादरीन ये अपने जो है वो रिव्यू दे रहे थे. इवन आई एम नॉट गुड इन इंग्लिश बट आई ट्राइड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. एज यू ऑल नो कि मैं एक उर्दू दान हूँ, उर्दू बोलता हूँ, उर्दू जानता हूँ. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उर्दू की बात हो तो हम इस पे बैठते हैं, बात करते हैं और समझते भी हैं कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उर्दू हमसे बेहतर बोलने वाले मौजूद ज़रूर होंगे, लेकिन हम अक़दा ज़रूर करते हैं. लेकिन बात अगर दूसरी ज़ुबान की हो, अंग्रेज़ी की हो, इंग्लिश की हो, तो इट्स अ बिट डिफरेंट फॉर इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बट आई ट्राइड अ लॉट. व्हाट डू यू, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स यू गेव मी आउट ऑफ 10 फॉर माई इंग्लिश?
At least 8. You did very, very well. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I tried to talk in English. ये थे, would you tell people your name?
I'm Joe.
Joe. Joseph.
Joseph.
Joe. Joe is his nickname, and his name is Joseph. And what's his name?
my name is Liz.
Liz. Joseph, we hear people having name Joseph are named as Yusuf. Yusuf. People either Yusuf out of country, out of Pakistan, they are called Joseph. So ये जोसेफ थे और लीज थे जो अपने ख्यालात इज़हार कर रहे थे लाहौर के बारे में. मेरी अंग्रेजी को बाला ताक रखते हुए अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइएगा. इनका गुफ्तगू आपको कैसी लगी, लाहौर के बारे में इनके मेहरबान अल्फाज कैसे लगे. इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह ने के बान.